Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilüfer Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and safe. Dear students, welcome to my online class. I'm your science teacher. Today I discuss with you technology in our life, which is chapter 9. Dear students, do you know what is technology? Technology is the practical application of science to solve the problems of our life. I repeat it again. Technology is the practical application of science to solve the problems of our life. Technology is used to design products, tools, and processes that improve the quality of human life. For examples, scientists have studied about electricity and built up our understanding of electricity. The scientific knowledge is applied to create technologies such as refrigerator, TV, mobile and light. Technology is used in many fields such as education, medical care, communication and transportation. So dear students, please take your science book and open your page 62. Okay, my dear students, I hope all of you ready to read. By using tools or techniques for controlling the environment and finishing necessary tasks is known as technology. Technology makes our life better, easier and very comfortable. The picture below shows the technology used at a house. Can you find this technology? Dear students, in your textbook, page number 62, you can see some of picture. Picture number 1, here is you can see some of men and women sitting here. Can you find this technology? Yes, we find this technology. Here is AC, clock, fan, remote, and picture number 2, you can see students operate a computer. So computer, clock, fan, and number 3, picture number 3, you can see a woman who is cooking, kitchen cabinet, kitchen chimney, fan, refrigerator, oven, and rice cooker, stove. And picture number 4, you can see a girl. Here is MP player, AC, fan, TV. So you can see technology in a house, which is we use in our daily life. So dear students, technology in daily life. Here is activity for you. The uses of technology. What to do? Number 1, make a table like the one shown below. Here is 2 columns using sectors or technology. Home, sports, entertainment, medical treatment. Number 2, make a list of the technologies that are used at home, in sports, entertainment and medical treatment in the table. Share your idea with your parents or brothers or sisters. So dear students, now I discuss with you technology in our daily life. So we use technologies in different situations of our daily life. Now I discuss with you. Technology at home. Dear students, in your textbook, you can see we can find many technologies at home. There are electric light, fan, iron, television, radio, mobile, computer, etc. There are the technologies in a kitchen such as gas burner, refrigerator, rice cooker and microwaves. My dear students, you can see the picture in your textbook, page number 63. Here is a picture of computer, telephone, television, which is used in our daily life at home. So now I discuss with you technology in sports. Many technologies have been introduced in sports. Examples of sports technologies include the sporting equipment such as football, tennis rackets, cricket bat or ball, clothing and footwear. At present, video camera is also introduced to a number of sports. My dear students, you can also see a picture of sporting equipment. Here is cricket ball, racket, shoes, footwear, football, and picture number 2 using video camera in sports. They're playing cricket, which is captured a video camera. So dear students, now I discuss with you technology in entertainment. Please turn over your page number 64. We use technologies in entertainment fields in our daily life. Computers are one of technologies that are introduced in entertainment. We can play video game, watch movies, and listen to songs with a computer. We also use technologies in music. Musical instruments such as tabla, harmonium, guitar, violin, piano, drums, CD and DVD player are the examples of using technology in music. There are different rides such as Ferris wheel, roller coaster are in the fun parks. In addition, children's toy and instruments for drawing pictures are examples of entertainment technologies. My dear students, you can see a picture of musical instrument. Here is piano, drum set, guitar, tabla, harmonium, and you have also see a picture of fun park rides. So dear students, now I discuss with you technology in medical treatment. Which is very important in our daily life. Technology in medical treatment. Advancements in medical technology have allowed doctors to better diagnose and treat their patients. Many types of medical devices have been developed. Thermometer, stethoscope, and blood pressure meter are examples of simple medical devices. The advanced devices such as X-ray machine, electrocardiogram, ultrasonography, and computerized tomography are also used to examine internal organs. The development of medical technology has made significant contributions to improve the health of people all around the world. My dear students, I repeat it again, technology in medical treatment. Advancements in medical technology have allowed doctors to better diagnose and treat their patients. Many types of medical devices have been developed. Thermometer, stethoscope, and blood pressure meter are examples of simple medical device. Which are simple medical device? Thermometer, stethoscope, blood pressure meter are examples of simple medical device. The advanced devices such as X-ray machine, electrocardiogram, ultrasonography, and computerized tomography are also used to examine internal organs. So, what are advanced devices? X-ray machine, electrocardiogram, ultrasonography, and computerized tomography are also used to examine internal organs. The development of medical technology has made significant contributions to improve the health to people all around the world. My dear students, you can see the picture of medical treatment instrument which is given in your textbook, page number 64. Here is picture of a stethoscope. All of you know about that. Picture 2, computerized tomography, and 3, ultrasonography. So my dear students, no more today. Next class I discuss with you technology in agriculture. Please note down today's homework. Read page 62 to 64. So dear students, I hope you have finished your writing. Okay. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.